Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on the flash whenever you get a text message. So the first thing you want to do to achieve this is you want to head over to the iPhone settings. So we'll tap into that here. Now within the iPhone settings you want to swipe down until we get to accessibility. Then you want to tap into accessibility. Now in the accessibility section you want to swipe down until we get to the hearing section. And within this section you'll see the audio and visual. You want to tap into that. Now on this page you want to swipe all the way to the bottom where you'll see this visual section, and there's only one item in it, LED flash for alerts. And you want to tap on that, and then this top one here, LED flash for alerts, you want to tab this on so it turns green. And underneath here you can either turn it on, flash while unlocked, and flash in silent mode, and that's entirely up to you how you want it to act. And if you ever want to turn this back off, you come back to this page and you tab back off LED flash for alerts. I hope this was quick and easy to understand, and if it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.